If you want to create a clean, professional X-Quote post in Canva, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, from opening Canva and choosing the right size, all the way to downloading your design and posting it on X. This is a simple method, but it can make your content look much more polished and engaging, especially if you want to share quotes, thoughts, announcements, or branded messages in a visually appealing way. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Canva, then log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up quickly with email, Google, or another login option. Once you're inside Canva, look for the Create a Design button. This is where you'll start building your quote post. Click it, and you'll see a list of design types appear. For an X-Quote post, the best choice is usually Instagram post, which is 1080 by 1080 pixels, because it gives you a square format that displays nicely in social feeds. You can also choose a custom square size if you prefer, but 1080 by 1080 is the standard and works very well. Once you select that size, Canva will open your new design workspace. Now you have two options. You can start with a blank design, or you can choose a template. If you want something quick and beginner-friendly, using a template is a great choice. Canva has plenty of quote-style layouts that already look polished. If you want more control over the design, start with a blank canvas so you can build everything yourself. Next, click on Text in the left-hand menu. This is where you'll add your quote to the design. You can choose a heading, subheading, or just add a text box, depending on the style you want. For a quote post, a large heading usually works best because it makes the main message stand out immediately. Click the heading option, then type in the quote you want to post. Once your quote is on the page, you can start customizing it. This is where Canva really shines. You can change the font to match your brand or the tone of the quote. For example, a bold, modern font can make the message feel powerful, while a clean serif font can make it feel more elegant or thoughtful. You can also adjust the font size so the text fits nicely inside the square without feeling crowded. After that, customize the colors. You may want a light background with dark text, or a dark background with bright text, depending on the style you're going for. Try to keep the contrast strong so the quote is easy to read on mobile screens, since most people will see it on their phones. If you want, you can also add simple design elements like lines, shapes, gradients, or background images to make the post feel more unique. If you want to give your quote more credibility or context, you can add the author's name below the quote. This step is optional, but it can make the post look more complete and professional. Keep the author text smaller than the main quote, so the quote remains the focus. You can also move text boxes around, adjust spacing, and use alignment tools to make everything look balanced. A good quote post should feel clean, centered, and easy to scan at a glance. Avoid overcrowding the design with too many colors, too many fonts, or too much extra text. The simpler it is, the more effective it usually becomes. When you're happy with the design, it's time to export it. Click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. Canva will give you file options, and for quote posts, PNG is usually the best choice because it keeps the image crisp and clear. JPG is also fine if you want a smaller file size. Select the format you want, then click Download and save the image to your device. Now let's move over to X. Log into your X account and click Post. Then click the media icon to upload your image. Select the quote image you just downloaded from Canva, and it will appear in your post composer. If you want, add a short caption to go with the image. This could be a question, a call to action, or a simple line that encourages engagement. Once everything looks good, click Post, and your quote image will go live on X. One quick tip before you go: square images in 1080 by 1080 usually display really well in the X feed, which is why this format is so commonly used for quote posts. It gives you a balanced look and works well across different devices. If you want to build a consistent brand on X, try using the same fonts, colors, and layout style across all your quote graphics so people can recognize your content right away. And that's the full process for creating an X quote post in Canva. You now know how to choose the right size, add your quote, customize the design, download the image, and post it on X. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.